headquarters me Sangra tea contain. Me mang was Hui Mangro. Tarui Manglise. How don't Mangro? Is it not issue? She should not bro. Was it Manipur Assembly near the family? Yes, okay. Manipur Assembly near the family. Madam D. Ain't Saga must be procedure loan. Procedure loan. I don't think Iran labor Hagadra. Akwai di handakti karim the business something like the business something like the government of the yes we business later bribe was it money for gi mai hong na sai ba ngasi si mo ora mane ban tawen tawise kun Ngakpa phar le kun Ngakpa hat kregana kun Ngakpa Kanana tom bano is it not the creation of this government fell to protect the state under the provision of the constitution Bharot ki samvidhan ki makha daliri ba constitution peril of the constitution machinery on the part of the government Ngakpa thori natro already Ngakpa hale Ngakpa phare Ngakpa thadu hoije is not issue akhoi gi mapan ri lai ba ngasi manipurna requisition tori ba yes article 355 for indian gi samvidhan gi settle gi makha da akhoi bharat sarkar na state ki maintenance of order. Sibai Tarpangami. Yes, they deployed. They deployed. Karigi. Why? In the aid of civil power. I say, order talk on the book, because they are supposed to, they are in the aid of civil power. Civil power do. Mating Pang of Line them. My Tarim them. A quick carnival was right to give. Quite this our headquarters would even have the Sangi in the farm tea. Those security forces who deployed for our protection. I don't headquarters the gear. Me Sangra tea contain. Me mam was Hui Mangro. Tarui Manglishe. How don't Mangro? Is it not issue? She should not bro. Sigumba Mayamgi Masa Mangi Mayamgi Sora Songam Chintamani Fangdana. Isai Rupi use on the Gaba. I know Famangrema cry lege Michael Madito Jagaba. And at least a number of missing persons. Where are come to my arm lady? Issue not bro. Issue Mountain Fitan, issue Mountain Arab data. A quick Kariava. Assembly say, Anirkan Korgas Hambidan to guide the Hargati. Assembly the Kaidon Valley. Assembly Kaidon number. Assembly say, Emily, you know, maybe the Famagama Taknabro. Aduro. Assembly, they must utilize the service of the money for no who is my juggler. A quick MLA would have a quick assembly the function on this is not the responsibility of this government. Government is responsibility. Other low Mr. Madukangraman and Kali. Anika Kamagaya guys. Ani Pamaya, I don't know. Who said it? Who is authority? I'm telling it. They do not understand this convention practice and the tradition parliamentary culture of the country. I see Bharot ki parliamentary culture tradition. Convention see a quick Kangdom in Angadam now. But Kangdom in Angadam now. I was say that a quick Heidi, a quick curry. Assembly gi rules la le hybrid Heidi. Say that. Rule of the same door. Why? Rule of the same door, same doctor, the son of Darina. Is it not the city am common sense? Rule la le the same door, same doctor, no, the son of Daria. Is it amended? Now, I will label later. Lady, Hijack, Lady Madam, Hijack, later to Baroki Parliament, Housing, Honorable Prime Minister, see Narendra Modi in Hibangam, bro. Barot see, long way in the international situation in the Patavina. I have Parliament. Pamu has said, I will put this question to this government, to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, sitting Modi the Hangir. My Hibangam, bro. Can he speak it? Can he speak it? Yes. I low sending I like it, and I sending I low later. Parliament business, they take the Ethiopia never. I this Prime Minister is not above the Parliament. Parliament belongs to the people. This Law Minister is not above the Assembly. He is not above the people. This government is not above the Assembly. They are responsible to the government, to the Assembly. Wait, Assembly is responsible. Wait, bro. Aduna, Akoi, Nangariba, Nakal Anidagi, I say, Hangas of the Yawre, I koi, Makoi Nangaribu, Tambibang, and Manipur Praja, my am lady. I don't know, Praza, I am Mamando Madeda, Siri, Basantana Heidi was Sumi and Heidegger. A represent, a Kuizi Bucarino, Heidegger. A Kuizi Budu fine Zarito, Sanganita, the Budu fine Zairo. We Budu fine Zarito. Yes, Congress to me labor again, I used to me labor. What people will think about it? A Kuizi Budu fine Zarito. Manipur Mays about the Assembly here, and the family and Samidana people in Litoba. Manipur May Sarton, there, Dona the Gak and the Sivai cannot me Mangra, me Mangra, a copy of a collie, what think that adagi thori an sigal leiba biji filani asidi laiga ina biji filani asidin ayaga ga asi leiba kon thoe now money become the asi leiba it has become a hell ada the business like the guy na akoi yes akoi business like theเอาหน่อยเสมที่พม่าที่อย่างนี้มันนั่นดีไม่ได้พูดทุกตรามินะแล้วมันนี่พูดกี่คนที่เลยดีเพราะสุดท้ายแต่คุยบิสเนสเลยที่ให้ดูดีคุยประธานจุดตาบอกว่ากันนี่อะไรคุยมีอำนาจมาดูฮาราอุดมพอนั่นเองเลยเห็นประตาวนี่อะไรไม่เคยดูแต่คุยที่อะไรสังเกตนะสัมมิดานะคุยกันนี่อันนี้เราต้องให้ไปนี่อันนี้เราต้องท่าตรุกเลยแล้วก็มุ่งกอร์ที่ไล่กี่ช่วยแต่นะแบบเสมที่เลยไม่ใหญ่ตัวเดียวแบบที่ไล่กี่ช่วยแต่ใหญ่แบบ it is procedural law adu procedural law violate to by fair mase convention practice tradition culture mayam na pun nan leiba sogot laga leiba adu procedural law mu tuai by fair arai na teba adu sanna roi ga si adu masi semtu oni masi sanna tre kari ba prithvi kari ba akoi ge ga na no rule of summoning three session in the year we have the rule Mr. Basanta we have the rule this is the rule this is the
man the right on the
then you have no authority to say it. You have no authority at all to say it. As a government, this government has no authority to say it. And this central government does not have any authority to say it. See, rule like the Basanta talk is Sarkar talk in Narayana Modi Ngamde. I'm telling it. Could the Indian Prime Minister claim it? Comes out. Rule like the rule like rule straight Lula ilay si like the Sidi is the Kari way in Uruzan. Sidi Kari way in Uruzan.